Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Amazon shares, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Amazon shares are and why investing in them can be beneficial. Research the company's history, performance, and market position. Visit a reliable financial news website or stock market platform for updated information. Create a budget to determine how much money you can invest. Choose a brokerage platform that allows you to buy Amazon shares. Consider comparing the fees and features of different brokers to find the best option for your needs. Open an account with your chosen brokerage by providing the necessary personal information. Complete the identity verification process as required by your brokerage. Fund your brokerage account using a bank transfer or other available methods. Navigate to the stock section of your brokerage platform. Search for Amazon using its ticker symbol, Amazon. Review the stock's current price and market trends. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your budget. Choose the type of order you want to place, market order for immediate execution or limit order for a specific price. Confirm the details of your order before submitting it. Monitor your investment by checking the stock's performance regularly. Stay informed about news and developments related to Amazon and the broader market. Consider setting long-term goals for your investment with a focus on growth and dividends. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy as market conditions change. Educate yourself on the importance of diversification to reduce risk in your investment portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.